Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Google Drive sync conflicts with working offline mode. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To disable Google Drive sync conflicts with working offline mode, follow these steps. Open Google Drive on your computer. Click on the settings icon in the upper right corner. Select settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings window, look for the general section. Locate the option labeled Create a Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides shortcut. Uncheck this option if it is selected. Scroll down to find the offline section. Check the box that says Create, Open. Now, open the Google Drive app on your computer. Navigate to the files you wish to work on offline. Right-click on the desired file or folder. Select Available Offline from the menu. This will ensure the selected file is downloaded for offline access. You can now work on this file without internet access. Any changes made will sync automatically once you reconnect to the internet. To manage sync conflicts, ensure that your files are updated regularly. Keep an eye on notifications from Google Drive regarding updates. If conflicts arise, Google Drive will notify you, allowing you to choose how to resolve them. That's it. You have successfully configured your Google Drive for offline use, minimizing sync conflicts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.